Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce digital marketing expenses with a SEMrush, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce digital marketing expenses using SEMrush, start by creating an account on the SEMrush platform. Once registered, log in to access the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various tools available, focusing on those relevant to your marketing needs. Begin with the keyword research tool to identify high traffic, low competition keywords relevant to your business. Use these keywords to optimize existing content, reducing the need for expensive paid advertising. Next, explore the site audit feature to identify SEO issues that could hinder organic traffic. Address these issues to improve your website's performance without incurring extra costs. Utilize the organic research tool to analyze competitors' organic strategies and find opportunities to outrank them. Adjust your content strategy based on these insights, focusing on cost-effective methods to improve visibility. Leverage the Content Marketing Toolkit to create and distribute engaging content that attracts organic traffic. Incorporate Social Media Tracker to monitor your competitors' social media strategies and adjust your own for better engagement. Evaluate your paid campaign performance through the Advertising Research tool to pinpoint underperforming ads and eliminate waste. Set a budget for paid campaigns based on the insights gained from SEMrush data analysis. Use the reporting feature to track your digital marketing expenses and outcomes consistently. Regularly revisit and update your strategies using SEMrush to enhance efficiency and keep costs low. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your digital marketing expenses while optimizing your online presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.